So the Harvard architecture, you need to make sure you've watched the von Neumann architecture video first. The Harvard architecture is a different approach where when you've got your CPU, you've actually got different, instead of having one set of memory that holds both data and instructions like von Neumann, you've got two separate memory locations where one side you've got your data memory and one side you've got your instruction memory. Now, both of these memory repositories, these cache, whatever you want to call it, both of these locations for memory will be have different sets of buses. So there are advantages and disadvantages to this. It's um, a little bit more restricted in the terms of you can't really dynamically, if you're using different programs, some programs want more data memory and less instruction memory, some programs want more instruction memory, less data memory. Obviously, if you design your CPU like this, you're restricting how much can be data and how much can be instruction. So that's the downside. The upside is having two separate buses to two separate memory locations increases speed, because you can be both accessing and retrieving data at the same time as instructions, which means your CPU could potentially run something faster. And that's the Harvard architecture.